Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask you, what is holding you from all your dreams coming true? What can I help you with to help you get your life onto that high level that you've been looking for? If you and me can work together on your next big adventure, drop me a text message. Drop me that text on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. People will come and go in life, but the right ones will always stay. People really will come and go. You'll learn something from each person for your own journey though, and some of those people will stay. They'll stick around. The right people for you will help and be on your journey in life, so enjoy the ride with these specially selected few that come along with you.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.